Are you ready to grab your pencils?
Let's start.
First, let's draw the girl's head. Start with a big circle near the top of your paper. This will be her face. Now, add 2 little dots for her eyes and a small smile. Doesn't she look happy? Great job so far. Now, let's give her a body. Draw a straight line down from her head for her neck, and then a rectangle shape for her sweater. Make sure it's cozy looking because she's outside walking her dog. Let's give her arms and legs so she can walk and hold the leash. Draw 2 arms, one stretched out holding the leash and the other relaxed. For her legs, draw 2 lines going downward. And don't forget to add her cute shoes at the bottom. Amazing work so far! Time to give her some hair. You can draw curly, wavy, or straight hair, whichever you like. I'm going with bouncy curls. Then let's add her skirt. Draw a triangle shape at the bottom of her sweater. Now she looks ready for a fun day. Now let's draw her adorable dog. Start with an oval for the dog's head and a long body shape behind it. Add pointy ears, a wagging tail, and 4 little legs. Don't forget to give the dog a happy smile. It's having a great time. Now, connect the girl's hand to the dog with a curved line for the leash. Add some final details like the dog's spots, her socks, or even a park in the background. See you next time. Keep drawing and stay creative.
Finish.